Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a newspaper nail art video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like and turn on my post notifications. In high school, my best friend taught me how to do it, and I remember thinking, wow, like this is crazy. It's so easy and it's just something like really special on your nails. So I used to wear them all the time, but I haven't since high school. It's super easy and simple, so let's just get right into it. To start off, I have already applied a clear base coat. This one is from the Face Shop, which is a Korean brand, but you can use whichever brand you prefer to protect your nails. And then apply a white nail polish. This one is from Hansen. Since the color is really light, I had to apply 2 coats. So for the first layer, just whatever. It's okay if it's not perfect because you're going to apply the second layer anyway. And make sure the first coat is dry fully before you apply the second. I am finished with 2 coats. After the 2 coats are fully dried, we're going to need some newspaper and rubbing alcohol. I got mine from Target. You can get it from any kind of drugstores. We are only going to use the words part, and I'm cutting it into small pieces, just about the size of your nails. You can either pour your rubbing alcohol out into a little cup, or you can do it like me. So I have my rubbing alcohol inside my little tiny spray bottle. And instead of dipping my finger into the alcohol, I spray it on my nails first. And then I grab a little tiny piece of newspaper. Just gently press the newspaper onto my nail. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds and the words will transfer. Also, I like to tilt my newspaper a little bit so the words are slanted on the nails because I feel like that way it looks more stylish. Now I am done with transferring all the words onto my nails. Don't forget to apply top coat. This is super important, especially when we're doing the newspaper nail art. The top coat will not only make it shiny, but it will make it lasting for a long time as well. I am using O.P.I's top coat as always. After the top coat is fully dried, then you're done. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And tag me in the photo if you try it for yourself. I hope you guys find it super easy and simple. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.